Whoa! Best of WRC Rally 2023. If you're new, like, comment, subscribe for more reactions, and recommend some videos down below, please. I want to react to what y'all want me to react to. Now, I've never even seen this. I've seen the game. I think the game is called like Dirt something. But this will be my first time reacting to this. So let's not waste some time. Let's get into it. Crashes, action, raw sound. Oh my god. What the fuck? He's flying. Yo, this has got to be mad dangerous. I ain't gonna lie. I'm not with. You know how good at driving you gotta be to drive on shit like this? Fam, he's drifting that shit. Is that a Corolla? A Corolla's moving like that? Damn, that shit is gliding. I kinda wanna do this. I used to whip four-wheelers when I was a kid. I kinda wanna do this shit. This looks tough as hell, bro. What do they do? I wanna go to one of the events. Yeah. Oh, it is raining. I'm not driving in the rain. I ain't gonna lie. What the fuck? This kind of like a promo shoot. It's like a promo shoot. Red Bull. This should be a commercial. This should be a Red Bull commercial. Fuck the race. That shit is hard. Yo, oh my god, he's drifting the shit out that bitch. Woo! That's some GTA shit. I'll be whipping on GTA, I ain't gonna lie. Oh my god, whoa. Gotta have mad roll cages and that shit, I ain't gonna lie. Look, there you go. You see the roll cage. Damn. I wonder how fun. I know it's not fun being in a wreck, but I wonder how fun it is to be in a wreck. Like when you're racing and you know it's not gonna be fatal. Well, I guess you can't say no wreck is fatal. Not fatal. But, and you got a roll cage. So it's like, it's got a little bit of fun to it. You know, a little bit of thrill. He is zipping that shit. Woo! Cameraman, I know you cold. So is this racing? Like, is it time trials? It gotta be time trials, right? So they're racing against time type shit. It can't be like they're racing against each other because nobody else and then these small ass roads. So most likely it's just time trial. Ooh! It's all Corollas though. It's Corolla. Do I need a Corolla? What is that? That sounds like somebody crossed some. Oh! Brother, you fucking up badly. Don't start screaming, nigga. You fucked up. Come on, tell me something. Flying that shit. It's a Ford. What Ford is that? I may need this. I ain't gonna lie. That fucking whip it. I ain't gonna lie. I don't even want to get that and turn it into something. This shit look calm. Oh my god. Look at all that dirt. Oh my god. It looks beautiful. He's zipping that shit. I can't see that. I can't see a damn thing. Oh my god. It really took out the power. Imagine you at home playing like a fucking rank game or some shit, and that's the way your power goes out. I wouldn't even be tight. I ain't gonna lie, I wouldn't be tight. The sounds of this shit sounds beautiful too. That engine. Let me see you go to work. Ooh! I ain't gonna lie. When you see this, I'm scared as hell, boy. That bitch tilt the long way, it's over. He knocked the whole notepad. Good catch, my boy. Good catch, my boy. Oh, my, caught that shit though. Oh my lord. I just had this is bro. This is how I need my goddamn Uber Eats, DoorDash driver, all them to pull up with my food. I need them to be there pronto. If you ain't whipping like this, do not pick up my DoorDash or Uber Eats order. Fact. If you ain't willing to whip like this, do not pick up my shit. If you not willing to whip like this, do not pick up my shit. See how ain't going. I need my DoorDash and Uber Eats order to be going like this. Drifting and all. How are you? Like, how do they be drifting in the small? You don't see this right here? You gonna keep leaving me down bad like this and not subscribe? Come on, please, my brother, please. Ooh, oh my God! I ain't gonna lie, my DoorDash order need to be going like that for real, on some real shit. He need to be whipping that bitch just like this. You see how he went? He need to come through. I want to pull up in the complex just like that. Zooming. Need my shit here in 3 minutes. Facts, nigga. Yo, this is only like a Ford promotion type shit. I may need to get me a Ford Corolla. I ain't know. Oh my God, the sounds of that shit. It's an Elon, ain't it? Them little hatchbacks. And them hatchbacks be whipping like that. Ain't that a hatchback? But that Corolla is zooming. Listen to that shit. Oh my God, that sounds beautiful. You fucking up bad, my brother. You fucking up bad. Get back in the race. You racing against time here. We're going against time, my brother. You gotta go. Red Bull be sponsoring all this shit, bro. Red Bull got an energy to sponsor everything, don't it? Look at them drip. Oh my fucking Lord, that drift is tough. How are y'all? I gotta learn to drift. I wanna do this. I wanna know how to do this. How do you even go about getting into a profession? A profession, I mean. Woo, what the fuck? You drunk, brother? That BMW? It like the front of a BMW, I ain't gonna lie. Slow down, you hitting them corners too hard. Oh shit, Pinky, you needed him as your driver. See y'all that team Friday, next Friday, you know what I mean. But hey, they do this in any weather. Snow, sleet, rain, sunny. Look how they hitting them corners, boy. Look at all that smoke, damn. You in rain, brother. Slow down, slow down. Damn, you fucking up bad. You don't see it's raining? Fuck, slow this shit down. Ooh, boy, hitting them corners. How y'all driving on them small ass roads like that? That, oh my God, that should be like a, I ain't gonna lie. It should be like a Bud Light commercial. That should be like a Bud Light commercial, dead ass. Twisted Tea. For when you need a little fun in your life. Should be some shit like that, you feel me? They got the helicopter following them. What the fuck, Chopper? You're too damn low. So I thought you was finna wreck. I couldn't even focus on. Oh my God. That's some inline. Ain't that what that N mean? It's the inline, ain't it? I don't know shit about cars, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I know nothing about cars. I only know like the names of them. I don't know what anything does. I don't know how engines work. I promise you. Like, cars was not my thing growing up. This shit is hard though. Maybe if I would have seen a video like this when I was legit, I probably would have been in the cars. I ain't gonna lie. This is how these engines sound. Whoa! Whoa, boy, I thought his life ended. Fam, cause I seen this. I'm thinking it's a steep hill. I said, oh shit, he's done. God saved you right there, my brother. Ooh, God was on your side, bro. That jump was crazy. I've been to a monster truck rally, but I ain't never been no shit like this. I want to go to this. I'd be scared they're gonna jump, and I'd be scared. And one time I'm low key. This is a sponsor by Corolla. I low key want a Corolla. I know Corolla's moving like this. I didn't mean whatever Corolla he got. Oh, whoa, 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 Josh! This he tried to park there. Great park. Great parking. He parked it in the shed. Ooh, wrong one, fuck up. You go. Do the little GTA shit. Do the GTA shit. Spin that bitch around that shit. Drive on the wall. Start doing that shit. I ain't gonna lie, drive on the wall with that shit. Slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down. Brother, slow down, brother. I'm telling you, I need my DoorDash order. I'm swear to God, I need my DoorDash order. Look. But when I order, I be hungry. Oh! It's funny how I just start lagging before they wreck, and then we just get a pan in on the wreck. They start lagging when they wreck, and then we just get a pan in on it. Like the computer can't compute what's going on. Oh, that's a tough. Oh my God, that boy on that Lightning McQueen shit. What the hell just happened? This was tough. That shit was tough. That shit was tough. I ain't gonna lie. This shit is tough. Hashtag for Craig. I don't know who Craig is, but this shit for Craig, man. Shout out Craig. If he's past RP Craig. Man, that shit was tough, bro. Hey, man. That shit was super tough, man. I ain't gonna lie. That's super comp. Super comp. Super comp. If y'all mess with it, man, let me know if y'all want more. Recommend more videos down below. Some more like this. Them engines, that Corolla, them Fords, the drifting, the crashes. It all was crazy. I loved every minute of it. That shit was immaculate. Recommend some more videos. I love y'all boys. I will catch y'all in the next one.